When the diagnosis of advanced kidney disease arises, many feel as if they are standing on the edge of a cliff, with few options beyond dialysis. But what if I told you that there are real, proven alternatives that can delay, or even avoid, this necessity? Yes, you heard right. There are strategies that few people know about, but that can completely change the course of your kidney health. In this content, we will uncover natural remedies and specific supplements that have helped people keep their kidneys functioning better and delay this invasive process that so many fear. We are not talking about miracle cures, but about solutions that, when applied correctly, can be real lifesavers. Are you ready to find out how to avoid dialysis and take back control of your health? Then keep reading, because what comes next might be exactly what you need. Discover effective remedies. Where a person reaches the advanced stages of kidney disease, the feeling can be that options have run out, right? However, what many do not know is that there are effective remedies that can completely change this scenario. What's even more interesting is that these solutions not only help manage symptoms, but can actually delay the need for dialysis, a true game changer for those in the daily battle for kidney health. Imagine an alternative that can maintain quality of life, avoid constant trips to the hospital, and even improve kidney function. It's not a distant dream, but something real and within reach of those who are informed and willing to make the necessary changes. The first remedy we will explore is not new, but it remains one of the most promising options for those facing the challenges of advanced chronic kidney disease, CKD. Acacia fiber, for example, acts as a sort of intestinal dialysis. Now, you might be wondering how something so simple can have such a big impact on kidney health. The answer lies in its ability to absorb uremic toxins directly in the intestines before they have a chance to burden the already weakened kidneys. This is a classic example of how natural solutions can indeed complement conventional medical treatments and offer significantly improved quality of life for those who need to take better care of their kidneys. Using acacia fiber is something that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. It can be found in supplement form, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. For those who prefer a more practical approach, mixing the fiber into juices, smoothies, or even food can be an effective way to introduce it without major lifestyle changes. What's interesting here is that, in addition to contributing to kidney health, this fiber also promotes better digestion, helping to control other common CKD symptoms such as bloating and abdominal discomfort. In other words, it is a solution that achieves multiple benefits with just one change. Now, if the idea of avoiding dialysis sounds good, imagine combining this practice with other strategies that are also effective. Often, the solution to a complex problem like kidney disease is not in a single action, but in a set of informed habits and choices. Here, acacia fiber represents just the beginning of a path that can be transformative for those in the final stages of CKD. But what comes next might surprise you even more: solutions that go beyond the obvious and bring tangible results for kidney health, without complications. Acacia fiber. Acacia fiber has been gaining increasing attention as a natural and effective alternative in combating the effects of chronic kidney disease. This fiber, obtained from the gum of Acacia senegal, works like a sponge in the intestine, absorbing uremic toxins that would otherwise be reabsorbed by the body and further overload the kidneys. This process is so effective that many health professionals refer to it as intestinal dialysis. For those looking for ways to ease the burden on their kidneys, incorporating acacia fiber into their diet can represent a significant change in managing kidney health. In addition to its primary function of removing toxins, acacia fiber also promotes intestinal health, something that is often neglected in kidney disease patients. A healthy intestine is fundamental for the proper absorption of nutrients and the maintenance of a balanced gut flora, which, in turn, has a direct impact on overall kidney health. A good practice is to add this fiber to breakfast, mixing it into juices, smoothies, or even water, creating a daily habit that continuously and effectively contributes to kidney health. One of the great benefits of acacia fiber is its ability to be well tolerated by almost everyone, with few reports of side effects. This is particularly important for CKD patients, who often have to deal with restrictive diets and medications that can be harsh on the digestive system. Incorporating acacia fiber is a simple and natural way to promote kidney health without burdening the body with more chemicals. It's like giving your kidneys extra support, in a gentle but effective way. For those in the advanced stages of CKD and wanting to avoid or delay the need for dialysis, acacia fiber can be a valuable ally. However, it is always important to remember that each body is unique, and what works well for one person may not be ideal for another. Therefore, consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement is essential. And if this solution already seems promising, wait until you learn about other approaches that can also be incorporated to improve kidney function and offer a better quality of life. Magnesium supplementation. Magnesium is a mineral that is often underestimated, but it plays a crucial role in kidney health. For chronic kidney disease, CKD, patients, magnesium supplementation can be a real game changer. What many people don't know is that, despite being essential, most CKD patients cannot properly absorb traditional magnesium supplements. This occurs because compromised kidney function makes it difficult to adequately absorb the mineral, which can lead to a range of complications, including worsening kidney health. However, there is a solution that deserves attention: a specific form of magnesium combined with vitamin B6, which significantly improves absorption and, consequently, the overall well-being of the kidneys. For those who have already tried supplementing magnesium without success, this combination might feel like a breath of fresh air. Vitamin B6, known for its metabolism-supporting properties, helps the body absorb magnesium more effectively, making it a viable option for those who need to keep their magnesium levels balanced. The result is an improvement not only in kidney health but also in reducing symptoms like cramps, fatigue, and even sleep disturbances, which are common in CKD patients. Imagine being able to minimize these discomforts with something as simple as the right combination of nutrients. Incorporating this specific type of magnesium supplementation into your routine can be quite simple. It is available in pharmacies and natural product stores, usually in capsules or tablets. The dosage can vary according to individual needs, but it is ideal to always follow the guidance of a doctor or nutritionist. In addition, magnesium-rich foods such as spinach, almonds, and avocado can be great additions to the diet to complement the supplement. This integrated approach not only improves kidney function but also promotes overall robust health, something every CKD patient should strive for. The key here is to understand that, as with any other health strategy, consistency is essential. Taking the supplement regularly, along with a balanced diet, can make all the difference in managing chronic kidney disease. And if the idea of improving kidney health with a simple routine change already sounds appealing, wait until you discover other natural alternatives that can have an even greater impact on quality of life, helping to avoid dialysis and keeping the kidneys functioning optimally. Astralis herb. Astralis is an herb that has been gaining attention for its potential benefits in managing chronic kidney disease, CKD, especially for those in the more advanced stages of the disease. This plant, although less known, has shown promising results in helping to slow the progression to dialysis. What makes it unique is its ability to reduce proteinuria, a condition where there is an excess of protein in the urine, indicating that the kidneys are not functioning properly. With less protein being lost, the kidneys can perform their functions more efficiently, which is crucial for patients already facing so many challenges. The use of Astralis as a complementary treatment for CKD is a fascinating example of how natural medicine can align with traditional approaches to offer more complete care. The herb has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect the kidneys from further damage. For those dealing with CKD, this can mean a significant reduction in symptoms and a possible improvement in kidney function over time. Incorporating this herb can be a valuable option for those who want to explore all possibilities of maintaining kidney health without immediately resorting to more invasive treatments. Incorporating Astralis into the routine of those suffering from CKD doesn't have to be complicated. There are supplements available that contain standardized extracts of the herb, ensuring a consistent and effective dose. As with any other supplement or herb, it is crucial to talk to a doctor before starting use, especially since compatibility with other medications should be considered. Additionally, some people may choose to prepare teas or infusions with the herb, which can be a more natural way to enjoy it. The key is to find the form that best fits your lifestyle and kidney health needs. Those who incorporate Astralis into their treatment regimen often report not only an improvement in kidney function but also a greater sense of overall well-being. This is because, by taking care of the kidneys, other areas of the body also benefit, such as circulation and fluid balance. And if an herb can bring so many benefits, imagine what can be achieved by combining different natural and supplementary approaches. The pursuit of a better life, even with CKD, does not have to be a lonely or limited path. There are solutions available that can transform anyone's journey. You've made it this far, absorbing valuable information about how to protect your kidneys and potentially avoid dialysis. But knowledge without action is like a seed that is never planted. So, what are you going to do next? Are you going to continue leaving your kidney health to chance, or are you going to take the reins and implement these powerful strategies in your life? Remember, every little change you make today can have a huge impact on your tomorrow. Have you thought about how your life could be different in a few months if you start taking care of your kidneys right now? And of course, if you found this content useful, don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning how to transform your health. This journey doesn't have to be taken alone, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Shall we go together on this? Take care of your kidneys, and they will take care of you.